The long-winding and often judicial journey of Zimbabwe's Chief Justice Luke Malaba is finally reaching its terminus after a decade of presiding over some of the most consequential and political charged cases in the nation's history. The man who famously upheld President Mnangagwa's 2018 election victory is preparing to vacate his chambers. His departure, confirmed for May 2026, marks the end of an era that has been as much about interpretation of the law as it has been about the raw exercise of political power. The end of the road for Chief Justice Luke Malaba would leave at the ruling that elbowed nelsonchamisa 2080 residency race. Subscribe or like on the blue icon. For months, the corridors of High Court, the Supreme Court in Harare, have been in thick with speculation. Would there be another last-minute constitutional maneuver to keep the Chief Justice in office? Would the rules be rewritten once more to allow him to oversee the next cycle of political challenges? The answer, it seems, is finally a definitive no. The Judicial Service Commission (JSC) is officially confirmed that Malaba will retire at midnight on 14 May 2026, just as he reaches the mandatory retirement age of 75. The confirmation of his exit has not come without the friction that has characterized his entire tenure. Recent reports suggest a final standoff within the judicial, with the claims emerging that Chief Justice has refused to take pre-retirement leave. Such leave is traditional for hiring officials to ensure a smooth transition, yet Malaba remained at work, presiding over the official opening of the 2026 legal year. The JSC was quick to leap to his defense, issuing a strongly worded statement that described these reports as erroneous and designed to create a false impression of impropriety. The Commission insisted that taking leave is a discretionary matter, not a legal requirement, and that Malaba was well within his rights to serve until his very last hour in office. Local residents have noted the increased activity at the property, a clear signal that the jurist is preparing for a return to his roots. Furthermore, sources within the Judicial Service Commission have revealed that Malaba has already made inquiries about securing office space in Bulawayo, space that insiders here tellingly referred to as the office of the retired Chief Justice. Doma developments are Budapangwa Inoi, the retirement by Chief Justice Malaba. Penakuma section millions of Furo in Matuliva, which to each. Subscribe or like, the bill icon.